Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install Yakuake, the terminal emulator, on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos on installing software on Chromebook and Windows, please subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to the video. The first thing I need to do is enable the Linux development environment. So to do that, I'm going to go over to the launcher here. And I'm going to search for my settings, and I'll click on my settings. And on the left hand side of my settings, I have advanced here. I'm going to click to expand that tab, and I'm going to go on down to developers and click on that. From here, I can turn on the Linux development environment by clicking turn on. This will bring up a setup wizard, and I'll start to go through it. So I'm going to click next. And it's going to give me a username, and that's based off my email. Now this can't be changed later, I don't believe. So you want to pick a username that you definitely want. And then it's also going to give me a recommended disk size. I'm going to keep both as is and click install. And that's going to take a few minutes to go ahead and install, so I'll come on back once that's done. Once you turn on the Linux development environment, a terminal will pop up. I can close my settings here. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font so you can see what I'm doing. And I want to make sure everything is up to date. And I can do that by typing sudo apt-get update, and then 2 ampersands for and, sudo apt-get dist upgrade. And I'll do a -y to say yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. Okay, now that the Linux development environment is enabled, we can go ahead and install Yakuake. To do that, type sudo apt-get install Yakuake and hit enter. Okay, it went ahead and installed. So now I can search for Yakuake here, and here we go. Let's click on that. And here we go. We've got the Yakuake terminal emulator open and installed on a Chromebook. If you liked this video and it was helpful, please give it a like. Thank you.